Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting. Please subscribe, like, comment and share our videos. Choosing the right equalizer for your car stereo system can significantly enhance your audio experience on the road. An equalizer allows you to fine-tune the sound frequencies, ensuring that your music sounds just the way you like it. With a wide range of options available in the market, selecting the perfect equalizer for your vehicle can seem daunting. When considering which equalizer to purchase, it's essential to keep a few key factors in mind. Factors such as the number of bands, the level of customization, connectivity options, and ease of use are crucial in making an informed decision. Understanding these considerations will help you select an equalizer that meets your specific audio preferences and requirements. Whether you're a music enthusiast looking to optimize your car's sound system or simply seeking to upgrade your listening experience, choosing the right equalizer is a pivotal step. In this guide, we'll delve into the essential aspects to consider when selecting an equalizer for your car stereo system. Stay tuned to unlock the full potential of your in-car audio setup. Understanding equalizers. Equalizers play a crucial role in shaping the sound output of your car stereo system. They allow you to adjust the frequency response, helping you fine-tune the audio to suit your preferences. Understanding the different types of equalizers available can enhance your listening experience significantly. Graphic equalizers. Graphic equalizers are a popular choice for car stereo systems due to their visual representation of frequency bands. They consist of sliders corresponding to different frequencies, allowing you to boost or cut specific bands. This adjustability makes graphic equalizers user-friendly and intuitive, enabling you to easily customize the sound profile to your liking. Parametric equalizers. Parametric equalizers offer more precise control over the audio settings compared to graphic equalizers. They allow you to adjust not only the amplitude, but also the center frequency and bandwidth of each band. This flexibility enables you to target specific frequencies with more accuracy, making parametric equalizers ideal for fine-tuning audio in detail. Parametric equalizers provide a higher level of customization, especially for audiophiles seeking optimal sound quality in their car audio system. By understanding the differences between graphic and parametric equalizers, you can choose the right option based on your audio preferences and technical requirements. Whether you prefer a straightforward visual interface or detailed control over audio parameters, selecting the appropriate equalizer can significantly enhance your in-car listening experience. Factors to consider when choosing an equalizer. Number of bands. The number of bands on an equalizer determines the range of frequencies you can adjust to tailor your audio output. More bands offer greater flexibility in fine-tuning specific frequencies, allowing you to customize the sound to your preferences. For example, a 7-band equalizer provides more precise control compared to a 3-band equalizer by offering adjustments across a wider spectrum of frequencies from bass to treble. Built-in crossovers. Built-in crossovers in an equalizer play a vital role in enhancing sound quality by directing specific frequency ranges to the appropriate speakers in your car's audio system. Crossovers help prevent distortion and muddiness in audio output by ensuring that low frequencies are directed to subwoofers and high frequencies to tweeters. When selecting an equalizer, consider the type of crossovers it offers and how they align with your car stereo setup for optimal audio balance. Audio source compatibility. Ensuring compatibility between your car stereo system and the equalizer is crucial to avoid any compatibility issues that may affect sound quality. Check for compatibility with your audio sources such as CD players, smartphones or USB inputs, to ensure seamless integration. A mismatch in compatibility could result in distorted sound or limited functionality, so it's essential to verify compatibility before making a purchase. Adjustment. Precision. The precision of adjustments on an equalizer is essential for achieving the desired audio output tailored to your preferences. Look for an equalizer that offers fine-tuning controls for each frequency band, allowing you to make subtle adjustments to bass, mid-range and treble levels. Precise adjustments enable you to sculpt the sound to suit different music genres or acoustic environments, enhancing your listening experience on the road. In the process of choosing an equalizer for your car stereo system, considering these factors can help you make an informed decision that aligns with your audio preferences and setup. By evaluating the number of bands, built-in crossovers, audio source compatibility, and adjustment precision, you can select an equalizer that enhances the sound quality and performance of your car's audio system. Installation and compatibility. When it comes to enhancing your car stereo system with an equalizer, it's crucial to understand the installation process and ensure compatibility with existing components. Let's dive into the steps for a successful installation and how to verify compatibility with your car's audio setup. Installation steps. Prepare your tools. Gather the necessary tools such as wire cutters, crimp connectors, and a mounting kit to facilitate the installation process efficiently. Locate a suitable spot. Choose a convenient location to mount the equalizer within reach of the driver's seat, yet secure to prevent damage while driving. Disconnect the battery. Before starting any installation, disconnect the car battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Connect power and ground wires. Connect the equalizer's power and ground wires to the car's power source and ground point, ensuring a secure connection. Connect the RCA cables. Link the RCA cables from the car stereo's preamp outputs to the equalizer's inputs to enable signal transmission. Adjust settings. Fine-tune the equalizer settings to match your audio preferences and optimize the sound output for your car's acoustics. Compatibility with existing components. Ensuring the equalizer is compatible with your existing components is vital for seamless integration and optimal performance. Here's how you can guarantee compatibility with your car's audio setup. Check technical specifications. Review the equalizer's technical specifications to verify compatibility with your car stereo system's power output and impedance levels. Match signal levels. Ensure the equalizer's signal levels align with your car audio components to prevent any signal distortion or mismatch issues. Consider space constraints. Evaluate the physical dimensions of the equalizer to confirm it fits within your car's dashboard or designated installation area without obstructing other components. Test functionality. Before finalizing the installation, conduct a thorough test to ensure all components work harmoniously together and deliver the desired audio quality. By following these installation steps and compatibility considerations, you can successfully integrate an equalizer into your car stereo system for an enhanced audio experience tailored to your preferences. Setting up and tuning your equalizer. To get the best audio output from your car stereo system, you need to properly set up and tune your equalizer. Here's how you can achieve optimal sound quality by adjusting your equalizer settings. Initial settings. When tuning your equalizer for the first time, it's essential to start with some basic settings to serve as a foundation for further adjustments. Begin by setting all frequency bands to the neutral or 0 dB position. This initial step ensures a balanced starting point before you fine-tune the sound to your preferences. Fine-tuning. Fine-tuning your equalizer involves adjusting the frequency bands to suit your listening preferences and the type of music you enjoy. Experiment with different settings by listening to various tracks across different genres. For example, if you prefer bass-heavy music, you may want to boost the lower frequency car's bands. Conversely, if you enjoy classical music, you might focus on enhancing the mid-range frequencies for a more balanced sound. Take your time to make incremental changes to the equalizer settings and listen carefully to the impact each adjustment has on the audio output. Remember that the goal is to achieve a well-rounded sound that complements your music taste and enhances your listening experience. By fine-tuning your equalizer settings, you can tailor the audio output to suit your personal preferences and make the most of your car stereo system. Choosing the right equalizer for your car stereo system is crucial in enhancing your audio experience on the road. By considering factors such as your music preferences, budget, and vehicle compatibility, you can tailor your sound to suit your unique tastes. Investing time in researching and testing various equalizers will pay off in the long run by delivering the quality of sound you desire. Remember, the right equalizer can make all the difference in how you enjoy your favorite tunes while driving. Please comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.